5 hobbies that every stylish man should have. Your hobbies are the things which you love to do in your free time. Here is a list of 5 attractive hobbies which every stylish man must have in them. Let's start the video. First hobby, learn self-defense. To protect yourself and your loved ones, you must know some fighting techniques, as this is very important to learn in this era. Second hobby, learn swimming. To make you the best in almost every proportion, I included this hobby because I don't want that you must be trapped under the water and lose your life. You have to learn to swim because this will give you the advantage of surviving in water and come back safe from there. Third hobby, learn photography. For capturing your precious moments, you must know few photography techniques. This will help you as well as the people around you. Fourth hobby, play any kind of sport. To make you fit and stylish, this hobby is important because the human body is capable of more than what you think of it. It will make you fit, powerful, and healthy. Fifth hobby, learn cooking. You must know how to cook so that you should not sleep hungry in any tough situation. Conclusion of this video. All hobbies discussed in this video will make you self-reliant. You can add more hobbies to this list like traveling and more. But I am focusing on basic things which can help you in your difficult times. I want to make you all ready for your hard times, then only you will be able to lead towards your success. Question for the audience. What is your favorite hobby that you always desire to learn? Purpose of this channel. We aim at self-improvement. If that sounds interesting to you, then join us and increase your worth with us. Be a part of the change, and be a part of our extended family by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for your precious time, see you back here soon.